So I had a company gift me this quilted puffer vest. This vest is pretty thin.
This is a size small, and I am 5'6", about 115 pounds, so if that gives you some insight on how the fit is, I find it to fit very nicely.
So this vest has 2 zipper pockets in the front, and they are really deep.
And we do have another set of pockets, and that's on the inside. You have one on each side, and those are very deep as well. I mean, look how far my arm goes in. That's a lot of storage in this little vest. Now, the zippers seem to be made of quality.
Now, the material on this jacket is actually very soft. It is a puffer jacket, so it definitely puffs out a lot, but the actual material is fairly thin.
Now, this jacket has a small collar to it. You can either flip it down or you can flip it up and wear it that way, whatever works.
But either way, this is definitely going to come in handy in the fall.